For yesterday night, that is, we were 8 people, we joined together and we have discussed about 2 pending seats of TTADC and why this village committee election is not held. So these were the issues, including Panchayat also, because these all elections are very much essential for the village development also. And Commissioner was trying to justify there were some technical problem, this and that. We said that okay, we humbly agree that you may have some problem, but do you justify that for a long time village people are deprived of their genuine right? Because the village committee is so important for the village people and Panchayat also and LDC seats also. So we have appraised him, we have requested him to come away from different barriers of his created problem. And he was summoned by governor also. He said the same thing. And we finally told him whether you are convinced that you are really trying to overcome the barriers of constitution or state government or district council. Some other problem may be there, but whether you are trying to overcome them and hold election. According to him, finally he said in August they will complete this Panchayati election. And from that election, after next 4 months, they can hold the village committee also and district council 2 seats also. So that's what he was assuring us. So we say that we do not come here for sort of just debate, but we want that our village people should be covered under constitution. And it's not that you or I or we want to do this and that only, but that is a mandatory. People want their right through election. This is the constitution of our sovereign India. So next issue I will request my honorable CWCP members to share it. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not moving. I'm busy.
Thank you very much.
Previous government still prevailing. So anyway, today we want to remove this impediment of the feeling of the state government and learned journalists also. They have raised a good issue. Now our founder Maharaj also stated and shared his idea. We'll see the response of the state government today and ahead of us. If they are still exercising their negative role, then we have every responsibility, every right to review our stand about our alliance with the BJP in the state also. So anyway, till that we are still waiting the response of the state government, how they will take it, how they will respond. Because they know, we know, yeah, we are part of the government. But the decision of, I think, last more than 5-6 months, they are already in the power, and we share the power very recently. Now we have explained our ministers, those who are with the state government, that they should also prepare the decision of the party, because the party may take any decision. So nobody knows how this will come and when it will come. But we are preparing our step also, but we are not in advance telling anything. Thank you.
Yeah, very good. Today we have given a deputation to the State Chief Election Commissioners, and we have submitted memorandum. As you all know, in ADC always it is deprived. Not only this time, for since long, for the last 40 years, ADC was neglected. ADC people are deprived. This is all well known. And especially we request today that since we have already heard that July and within the August Panchayat election we is going to help. By hearing that, we also approach today. Since ADC village committee is pending for the last 2 years, more than 2 years, and it is not happening election. What is the reason behind? And also from Motha party, we have filed a case also in High Court, and High Court also have given the verdict that election should be held, BC election should be held immediately. We asked the reason why it is pending for the last 2 years, and also he mentioned there are 2 seats, ADC, MDC, member of district council seat also vacant for the last 1 year and more. One is Kulai Champahawar and Mandai Pulenpur. These are pending for the last 1 year, and it is the part of the deprivation, and our people are very much anxiety, very much feel deprivation. And also we ask why it is pending for 2 years. Assembly election is done within 1 or 2 months. We have mentioned the last assembly election also, and it is pending for the last 2 years. And they try to argue, they try to mention that seeing ADC have no any rule, there is no duty bound that by elections should be conducted within 6 months. There is no rule in ADC. They have given this feedback like that. But only mention as soon as possible, by elections should be conducted. As soon as possible, this word is mentioned. That means there is no mention any date. 6 months, 1 month, they don't mention like that. But the word is mentioned that as soon as possible mean you have to do very earliest. So this also kind of the thing, but he argued that it is because state ADC election is fully controlled and managed by state government, and assembly and parliament is controlled by central government. So there is a difference. So it is, we have fully understood the state government negligence. State government is not very serious. So this thing we have put up our memorandum today, and let us watch and see. They say they are trying their best. Even governor also called them, the election commission he mentioned, even governor also called them to do the as soon as possible BC election. So today I think of course we have given a good response. The 2 officers sitting there, they have given a very good response. They are very cooperative, and let us see and wait. That we request also, since Panchayat election is going to held in the month of July and August, why not we can collapse BC election together? Otherwise again it will take time. No? Every year, every month there is election will take place. So why not do together? It will be good for everybody. Like BC election, Panchayat plus by election. These 3 elections can be collapsed together and can be performed. But they say let us see, let us discuss. They say they will discuss with the authority. They are also in favor of our argument. Yes, it is good if we can do together. It will be good for the people and for the state. So this is our today we have discussion with the election commissioner. Let us see, let us watch and see.
But sir, I want to raise one issue is